I'll be giving you a topic and a couple of seconds to think. Then I will ask you to start, and whosoever will get opportunity will start, and then open the discussion. And once the discussion is open, then 10 to 15 minutes you people will discuss, and then I will ask you to conclude, and one of you will conclude. So the real GD format we are going to follow. I'm not going to give you 2 minutes each to talk. I'm not giving you 1 minute each to conclude. I'm giving you the topic. You have to introduce. Whosoever can introduce will introduce. And similarly, conclusion and then discussion. Right? So that is the format. Now I give you the topic. So please write the topic of GD today, group discussion today. And this topic is relevant for tomorrow. Tomorrow, you know, is a big day. People are going for some kind of Rojgar campaign or something. So it is related to unemployment only. So please write the topic. Indian youth most talented, mostly unemployed. Indian youth most talented, mostly unemployed. You can give your opinion as in what you feel like. So Indian youth most talented, mostly unemployed. Indian youth most talented, mostly unemployed. Okay, please start the discussion now.
So good morning, friend. So what the today's topic is Indian youth most talented and mostly unemployed. I agree with this because what the situation is that the Indian student is mostly educated in the field of their competitive examination. So I'm opening with this point that the people of the youth of
I agree with my fellow participant. I wanted to add that
talented and most
the Indian
unemployed
youth
is
who are from good education background is in search of good jobs, and they are making status or ego issues while choosing employment. However, Indian youth of average education background, they do anything for their livelihood. That is the crux of the topic. With this, I would like to open the discussion.
So yes, ma'am, I agree with you because the focus of the student that they are not stick to the point that because in our education system and with the comparison of the foreign education system, there is a trend that I've seen that after 12th or after 10th there is a period that student being being talented and being organized into the sector like a carpenting, electrician, but it is not in our education sector. So I think that this point is relevant that the mostly the people are not going to unemployed. So
there is also another reason why the talented youth are not unemployed because government is also not providing opportunities properly. In our state, for example, Andhra Pradesh, they have released a notification to employ secretaries and volunteers.
There is a mindset
They,
students
because
and
of this.
their parents as well
I would like to differ at this point. I agree.
Let me complete. First, I need to complete.
I would like
Never you can differ. In our state, because of that,
if that mindset will change and
new
they will
education policy
accept
has
self
changed.
according to
as a
the
means
because of the
livelihood.
notification, we as an engineers are highly qualified people cannot apply for that job. But
First of all,
because of
Indian
that,
society has to
who
change
studied at
their
10th and 12th,
mindset
they
that
have
service
got
is
the
not
job.
the most
yeah,
important.
Vidya,
They should go
In
for
addition,
self-employment.
yeah, I agree with Miss Sadhana
Vidya, actually,
that
I would
Indian
like to
people
differ
or
on your
most
point.
educated people
Vidya,
like we have the tendency have the tendency to look for the better job opportunities. They don't want to do menial jobs or
Yes,
or
yes.
less
Self-employment.
the jobs which salary structure is less. That's why people don't join the
No,
low
no.
paid
The
jobs.
topic of
It is not
today is
about that.
No,
I
it
am
is same.
That
talking
highly
about
talented
It is
person
about the
cannot work in a
unemployment. It is about
situation where he
unemployment.
cannot.
This is
Start
one
some
no, this is one
small
So
kind
perspective,
if
of
you
my
are
friend
comparing
business.
Vidya.
with
Is
a
not
degree,
This is
having
one
Any
knowledge in
perspective.
another perspective,
micro
degree
kind
is
and
of
the
he
skill.
business
cannot
This
go
is
can
only one
start in
in those
perspective
India.
services.
I'm talking about. Let me first speak.
Even if there
Uh,
is a capital of 50,000, any small business can be started in initial phase for the phase of experience. You have to learn in initial phase. You can
No,
start
yeah,
from
talent.
self-employment.
but
And
everyone
I
does not
feel
want
talent.
to
If you have
start a business.
no,
talent,
no.
Actually,
if
some
you have talent, and if your talent is blended with your education, then you will definitely get the employment. As you know, in the case of that's why the government is coming with the education reforms. New education policy has came. In that, if you see the data, then you come to know that only government is promoting for higher education. Only 50% of the people are doing their intermediates, and 25%
Sher
of people
Bahadur,
are doing this.
it is also a fact that
That's why I'm saying if
government is failing to
talent
provide
will be
good
blended,
opportunities to the
No,
most
no.
talented or most
No, no, it is not.
talented
capable of
I,
You know,
people.
it is not.
actually, my
Because
point is that
talent
It is
will be
not only
blended with
the.
the
I
education,
am
then
just
there
saying
will
that
be
2016.
most
not
chance
the
of
government is
employment.
the
No, no,
complete
Sher
reason for
Bahadur.
2016, we
No, no,
Indian
Sher
youth
after
Bahadur.
who are
What is
talented for
2016,
being
we are
Vidya,
unemployed.
seeing
Vidya,
One
Vidya,
of the
Vidya?
reason is
a
that government.
What is the meaning
drastic
of what is
decline
the meaning? What
in
is the meaning
job
of talented?
opportunities
No, no. What
and
is the meaning
vacancy,
of
government
talented here?
vacancies, and
Yeah,
also
Vishal.
private sector also after
Yeah, Vishal.
demonetization itself. So
Yeah,
government
Vishal.
is, of
Most
course, it
talented
is a fact that
persons,
government
they
is
might
Everyone
failing
be
is
to
born with
provide
they
talent.
might be
See,
good
everyone is
engineer
opportunities
born
to
with
the
or he
talent.
good
might
highly
be
educated
Everybody
scientist
has
people.
the
or
same
That is
talent,
a
but
take
fact.
an
have one
example
We
of
cannot
IT
deny
practice.
it.
If you do the
engineer.
practice, then you will
He is
able
No,
to
meaning of
looking for
talented
a
Deny
is
it.
job
meaning
Everyone
of
does not
talented is
opportunity
not
interested in
having
doing
the degree.
business.
Vishal,
and
Vishal,
wanted
meaning
to
of
go
talented is not
abroad.
having the degree. Ma'am, degree
It
is
is
something other. It is
okay.
the
Most
Yes,
skill.
Rajiv, I do
talented
Yeah, it
understand.
is the
We
skill.
should
most
have
It is
talented
the skill.
additional
people
skill.
believe
Yeah, if
For
you
in
skill
have to
promotion
skill.
also,
going
we need to have
abroad
the
for
platforms to
giving
promote our
their
skill.
job.
There
Yeah,
should be
so
correct platforms that we can
no, no,
show up our skill.
our system dynamic and the way of it performing the education system. What I study in management course that system dynamic is. That system dynamic is our system is so much cursed that we stick only with the degree. That we have this degree, we have that degree, but not the skill. Because you can collect the data of more than the more
No,
engineer.
even
Yeah,
that's not
they
the
are lack
point,
of a skill.
Rajiv.
That
Yeah.
Rajiv,
is
that's not
not
the
the
point.
topic.
Even though
No,
people
no,
It is not
Speaking
about
who are
topic
skilling.
having
We
good
are
topic,
already
quality
talented,
skill,
but we are not. We are
it
who are
is
having
issue
not
nice skill
employed.
set
most
also, they
talented
are not
people we
getting the
are
good
talking
jobs
about.
according to their
no,
skill
it is
set,
not about the
according to their
good job.
There,
No,
qualifications.
no, it is
there
Let's
not
are
see,
about the
many
good
let's take
job.
the
more
example of mechanical
opportunities in
engineering.
India as
Let's
well.
take the example of mechanical engineering. Even the IITians don't get the good opportunities in the field of mechanical engineering. They also opt for software development profiles and these kind of jobs, because just because they are not
And many
they don't get the
adding
good opportunities
adding
in
What I
mechanical
want to
course.
add to
adding
my
to
point
your
is
point,
So
many of the
government
IT
initially it has
engineers
neglected,
they
but now it
wanted to
realized
go
and
to
started
US.
reformation.
it's about
It is
They
opportunities.
like
wanted to
You
go
don't
to
have
US.
privatizing
infrastructure.
the
Many of the
PSUs
Our
and banks.
country,
It
IITians
started
Our
promotion,
country, India does not have proper
promoting business. By
infrastructure,
that, it can.
or means in top institutes also like IIT, government is not providing proper infrastructure or
No,
means
no, no. Government is
uh,
No,
providing infrastructure. No, no.
it's
Yes,
not
yes,
Top
about
is
but
no,
it's
Let
not
us
about
take
but
infrastructure
example.
is
but
no, no,
Let us
infrastructure
take
is
the
not
infrastructure.
my
example
friend.
of a
That is
it's
why now
meritorious
not about
people
student.
don't
Not
get
He
infrastructure. It's
get
about
core
wanted
it's
to
not
jobs.
about
study
now
in
government
infrastructure.
has
foreign
started changing
Not
university.
its
about
policies.
That is why
infrastructure.
people don't get core
If
No,
the
no.
jobs.
What?
People opt
student
for
is
software
meritorious,
development
he
jobs,
wanted
machine
to
learning
study
No,
jobs,
no.
in
AI
foreign
jobs,
Meritorious.
university.
No,
analytics
no.
jobs, business analytics jobs.
And
Meritorious.
Even
after
after studying
completing
4
Meritorious.
his
years,
if
education,
you
he
are
uh,
wanted
talented,
to
then you
So,
work
will
in
mechanical
why you are
engineering.
getting
abroad
the
and the
government
one of
job?
the reason I want to
instead
add
of
the point
coming back to
that,
India.
ma'am, I want to add the point.
That
The
is my
population,
point.
ma'am,
Government
the
is
Many persons are
government
interested
is
to
the
serve
youth,
not
the youth
abroad
population
Vishal,
of our
I
is
think
country
you are
is
not
also
instead
the
of
youth.
Vishal,
working in India.
Youth
Vishal,
It is a
population
one
of
type
the
why you
of
are
country
brain
looking
also
for the
the
drain
youth.
to
government,
India.
right?
And if they are
If
government
you
if
are
is
they are
not
limited
talented, then
seat,
you
government
if
start
they
is
are
your
limited
startup.
seat,
Why you are looking for
government
the
is
government?
not providing proper schemes, proper
Why you are looking for
initiatives,
the
no,
proper
government?
no,
If you are
it's not
talented,
about only
tax
if you
government
are
benefits
job,
talented,
man.
to the
then
It's not
private
about
start
only
startup,
corporates,
government
to
job.
the
do some
foreign
do
companies,
something else.
multinational companies so that they can invest, come to India and invest.
They are providing. The government is on the path.
Government cannot
The government-
provide.
Yeah, they
jobs
are
to
Government is now
everyone.
providing
Rome is
it.
not built in a day.
50%
The Rome
people.
My
is not
friend,
built
We
in
have
a day.
to
my-
focus
So we have
ourselves
to- we have
on
to-
self
my friend, government is
employment.
providing that, we all know.
as we
we
are
all know all
talking
the
about
schemes are there,
talented
made in
people,
Make in
they
India,
are
Make in
having
India,
Yes,
intelligence
Atma
we
with
agree
Nirbhar,
with
it.
all the
Sadhana ma'am.
schemes we
Yes,
know.
ma'am.
Isn't
But
I
it?
do
it is
agree
not,
with you.
of
They
course,
Also
it
are
should
should
up to
having
be.
the point.
intelligence with
That's
it,
why that's
and
why
their
youth is not
workforce
getting
should be
jobs. There is
directed
unemployment.
towards
If government is providing
creating more and
everything,
more startups.
why do we have unemployment in our country?
Sadhana
As
ma'am,
a
yes, I
person
do
of
support.
talent,
why
then
Youth should
why don't
also,
you
Government is
go with some
providing, but
youth
innovative
of course we
things
have to
completely
agree
blaming
on
the
and
this.
start
government.
We
It
some
should
agree on
also
this
innovative
take
fact
steps.
platforms.
that
Youth,
it is not,
youth should by
it is not,
itself prove,
Yeah.
yeah.
should by itself
Because the
They
street
have to
of
prove itself.
invent new things. They have to go for innovation things, and they can
Yes, ma'am.
start
Sadhana ma'am,
anything
I
in
accept
ma'am,
any
that.
there is a
field.
certain
Youth by
issue that
itself.
Modi, ma'am, there is a current there is a news that Modi Rozgar, that is
Even
SSC scam. Yeah, SSC scam.
government is
That
not,
ma'am,
that is
SSC
very true
scam.
that
SSC
government is
scam.
not providing
Ma'am,
jobs,
SSC
but
scam.
government is
Even
if
the
you are
providing
student,
Rajiv, if you are
everything.
talented enough, why
They
you are
are
waiting for the
providing
government to
loans
give you a
at a
job? Because you
concessional
you
rate.
are talented enough,
They
right?
are
that's
You are
providing
perfect.
talented
repayment
enough.
But
It
this
is
is
holiday.
not
correct.
about
They
government
are
and
You
It's
private.
not the
giving
government
tax
job.
are
I am
not
just
holiday.
giving an
talented enough.
example.
Miss
I am not
Sadhana,
giving example.
I
Rajiv,
think
Even
you are
the
diverting
Government
from the
jobs.
topic. I think you
I
are
am
even
diverting
the
from
speaking
the
about the
topic. It
student,
is not
platforms
but
about
they,
business
government is
onto the
but they
providing.
are
topic.
not taking
It
the
is
but
it
they
is
are not
about
seeking the
job
if
job.
you are
or
talented
employment.
enough, you
It
go
is
for
issue with
Yes,
something
talented
else.
employment. We
people.
can
You
go
have
for
to
Even if
give
a
self-employment
average
also. If
candidate
Yeah,
government
yeah.
provides the correct means,
unemployed.
we can
Unemployed
get
means if you are not
self-employed
earning
also.
anything, right?
Yeah, but
any
everyone is
average
Generally,
not
person
interested
you
in
can
it,
know
na?
start
what is
a
One should be interested in it.
tea.
every
The
year the
self-employed.
Yes,
If
The
everyone,
unemployment
if
average
everyone is
person,
look, if
Indian
everyone
increasing.
will
youth,
look forward to
Unemployment
Indian
same
youth
is
is
increasing
self-employment
going
or
every year,
for
right?
entrepreneurship, then
And
who
there are
will work for a company,
430
multinational company,
million people
or
are
for say
openly
Maharatna companies
unemployed.
that we are
Openly
fighting for?
unemployed means they don't have
ma'am,
even
yes,
1 hour of,
Indian youth
they are
of
not doing job for
common
1 hour in a day,
intelligence. If
right? So they
there
are
is a
openly
average
unemployed.
student,
If they are talented enough, they
Then
don't
can
have
there is
the
also
do
another
anything. They can
investment
problem.
go
to
to
Why
the
they are
gig
invest,
unemployed?
workers, go
Even
to
they
the
are
and he
farming
can
talented.
sector,
They
start
they are
a
don't
not
tea
know.
employed.
stall at any
They don't know
corner
how
of
to
the
use that
house.
Employment
implement that
means they
knowledge.
have to do
yeah,
so
yeah,
many
They
yeah.
may
things,
be
Yeah,
I
right?
agree.
talented at
I agree.
You
something,
don't
but they
have
are
Miss
this
Vidya,
unaware
I
of
agree
how
with
to
you.
use it.
to
And
provide you
having
There
some
should be
Miss
discipline.
Vidya.
Yeah,
Yes, Miss
implementation
Vidya,
of
I agree with
knowledge.
don't
you
wait for the
that
government.
Implementation
people,
of
they may
knowledge is
Miss
something
Mindset
be
different.
talented.
should
They
be
don't know how to
taken.
implement it.
I
Yeah, yeah.
had,
that is
I
also a
wanted
point.
to give one example.
Waiting for
There
the
are
If
two
government.
people try,
IITs
people only
in
You can
hard,
go for the
Pune.
people
startups.
only,
They are
continuously
running
Yeah,
a
try
I
to
want to
tea,
hard
give the
work or
tea
data.
If the
stall.
government
try
I
to
want
work
to
gives
in
give
a
the
you so many
particular
data
jobs
that
in
direction.
dairy also,
They don't
yeah,
want
dairy
to,
I
you
want
sector
to
know,
is
give
There
the
suffering.
is
data
a
that
group
And
of
so many
two
people,
different
if you're
people
fields.
talented enough,
who are
those
yeah, the
engineer
country
by
automatically
most
profession.
government is
youth
giving the
They
incentives
are
also.
running
have gone
It
to
is
a
the forest
incentivized.
because they
tea
can't.
shop in
Organic
Pune.
Ma'am,
farming is incentivized.
yeah, yeah, ma'am,
Agriculture farm is
Two
because
incentivized.
the
Do the
dream of
agriculture,
IITs
do the
are
the
organic
dream of the
farming,
running
top
a tea
do the
stall
IITs
in
have gone to
Pune.
the
Yes, yes.
forest. Yeah,
There
foreign.
are
Then
different
they
well
talk.
kind
Department
of
of
teas
Forestry
they
and
are
Animal and
Because their
offering
Husbandry, go
in
and
their
get
unemployment
the
that they
experience.
shop.
can't get the
Poultry
package
farm, open the
what they
poultry farm.
deserve.
And
If you're
Hence,
also there is
talented enough,
another
you can
issue
manage.
that
Yeah, yeah.
just
we
don't make
Deserving.
will
status
If
or
the
ego
student
a
is
issue.
deserving something, if the student is deserving something and he can't get the so much salary, according to his mind, he is unemployed. So the most of the dream of the student has gone to foreign. If the someone is having, if someone is going to have their
It's not, Rajiv, it's not about how
If
much
you
you
yes,
are
can earn.
I
talented,
do
It's
want to
about
na,
say another
employment
thing
or
is
if you are
unemployment.
as youth is
talented,
talented,
then
It's not.
he can himself
even
find ways.
running a tea shop
For
is a
example,
very
what
talented, that is
I don't know his
required
name.
for that.
One of our
Even
team said
running a
in
successful
agriculture,
tea
if he is
stall.
talented, really he can
yeah,
invest in
He can
agriculture.
go
depend
to
upon the
And
organic
sector.
farming, right? He can
It
go to
depend upon
poultry
the
farm. He can
sector.
run the poultry
Exactly.
farm.
Yeah, it
There will be
depend
cow
upon the
Agree
factory
with
sector.
is also
Vidya.
there for
Yeah, it
Even
depend
usage.
upon the sector.
educated, they
That
can,
if the sector of the student from agriculture, sector
That these
from
sectors
the
agriculture
maybe
is
doesn't need
a
architecture,
any
good
And one
extra
field.
more
or
knowledge
from
thing,
the
person being
from
my
industry,
friends,
intelligent
then
and
it
talented
depend.
and
my
investing
friends,
in
I'd
sectors
like
like
to,
Farm
agriculture,
from the
it will even
attitude.
promote the
They
Indian economy.
Yeah,
Instead, we
I'd like
select
to one
different
more point
sectors.
here
there are
that
much
our
more
topic is
opportunities. Agree with
Indian
you,
youth
Jia.
most talented,
Yeah,
most
I'm
unemployed. I think that's
Yes,
because
not.
that is the
mostly the
subject. But as
yeah,
I
Vidya
think
rightly
because
said
the
that
ma'am,
India is a
the
agri-based
major I want to add
economy,
the point.
and there
I
are
want to
much
add
more
the point, ma'am. I
opportunities
want
in
to add the point,
agriculture sector
ma'am. I
also.
want to add the point that there is a certain division of students. One is
18%
from
of
agriculture,
GDP
one is
of
from
India came
mechanical,
from
and
agri
one is from
sector. Even if you
architecture.
are
So there
talented
is,
and well
ma'am. So there is
educated,
no such field, diverse field that the student from architecture can work in the architecture. They have to merge. So the seat is
Yes, yes,
limited,
Rajiv,
and
I do
as
accept
they are
that.
trying
As we are
for
very
the single
populated,
seat,
we should ourselves
and the
be
major
flexible with
major
different
issue of the impact of
platforms.
unemployment came from that all the things
it
that
is
all
the
want to
thing
pass
that,
from the single hole,
adding to the
and there is a
point, it is the
bottleneck.
thing that 70% of industries are MSME industries are situated in rural and semi-urban area. However, talented and well-educated students are not ready to go to rural or semi-urban area. They have to change
if
their
the, no ma'am, I
mindset.
don't
No,
agree
ma'am,
with the
he-
point that
Then
if there is
I-
unemployment
ma'am, if the
problem
one is
will be
unemployed, then he's
addressed.
eagerly to
No,
go to
ma'am, we
the
don't agree because if we come to
Yeah.
PSQs, they are all located in remote places
yeah,
only.
Yeah, I'm
So
agreed
it's
with Vidya,
yeah,
right?
it's
That's
it's
true.
all about its bread and
Right.
butter. It's all about the bread and butter. If you have it any place, then anyone
More
eagerly to
than
go
45
anywhere.
lakhs MSME
No,
units
so
are located in rural
no,
and
what I
semi-urban
personally
area.
feel,
That is
what,
the case of India.
no,
And
what
Sadhana ma'am,
no, ma'am.
ONGC is working in the offshore area, right? ONGC
Yeah,
is
yeah.
offshore
No,
area
no,
in the mid of the
no,
sea,
what
but
the
still people are looking for the
problem that
ONGC.
mostly
They are
talented,
ready to go to
no,
the ONGC, right?
no, yes, Sir Bahadur, I want to add the point
For
that
14 days on and
that the
off.
mostly talented people want to pass through the bottleneck. What is bottleneck? And that want to pass from the single hole. That everyone want to seek this job. They can't have the diverse
Just
mentality.
take
And the
Yes,
Just
and
take
the
yes,
issue
the
of the
every
example of
person is,
China.
yes, Rajiv, that is
There
what.
is
Every
industries
person is
in
aiming at
wheat
the
and
same
urea
goal.
household. Let us
Yes,
take
Should
the
have
Rajiv,
example
diverse
of
goals.
China.
Everyone is focusing
There
at
is
the same goal.
industry
that
in
people
Because
wheat
of
should
and
this,
have
we are
diverse
getting so much
silos
experience
of
and
competition,
China.
and this
means
is the reason for
They
being
are
they should also
unemployed.
opt
developing
for
such a
interdisciplinary
product
means
We
which are
skills.
we have
quick and
But
diverse goals,
but
competitive.
diversified
there's
goals.
one
Take
one
the
Then
more
example
point
the
of
here.
China.
competition will also be less.
If
Take,
someone
take
is
the
and also
example
the
of our
problem is
neighbor
that
if
country.
someone is
no,
interested
I
in some
also
particular
Take the
domain,
example of
then
our
I
neighbor
also
he
country,
should
I
have
take
China.
he should have enough
I give the
opportunities
example.
to get
No, no, I
employed
give the
in that
example.
domain
I give the
Let us
also,
example
talk
that
about
because
It is
China.
also another
because
point that
there are
There is
talented
many
youth
people
should
industry
have.
in
who are
each and every
passionate about their
household.
domain,
talking
who are
about mostly
passionate, who
talented,
do their
that
PhDs,
where
who do their
where
masters
this mostly
about
talented word come
in
from.
their respective
Vishal,
domain.
And
listen me.
They should
Vishal,
get
listen.
enough
Vishal,
opportunities.
listen me.
whose
What
they
Sadhana.
I
are
want to
I
say is,
agree with
manufacturing,
you.
while
I
Chinese
developing
mostly
that
people,
talented
passion,
they
people
are
also go
If
for
exporting to
if
all
interdisciplinary
over
skills
world.
because
no, no.
in
What
engineering
the mostly thing is that they
there's
have the
for every
experience in
project there should
education.
be there's a
No, no. If
collaboration
there
of
is a
means
no, no,
many
no, no.
engineers. Yeah,
Vishal.
yeah, Rajiv.
Yeah, Vishal. There is a thing that the person who got passed in 2016, the person got passed in 2017. I'm talking about the graduate. They're preparing for a certain exam. So they are
again, I
educated and
want to
mostly talented.
support
And
one
I
Sadhana
want
ma'am.
to
While it comes, she
they are
stated one
mostly
point
Rajiv,
about
talented.
MNCs
They are
located
don't
mostly
be
in.
talented.
exam centric, right?
And
Don't be
In
exam centric. We
China,
are
there
talking
is
just
industry
about
in
all
each
the
and
no,
fields.
no.
every
We are not
household,
about
and
some
each and
government
every
or private
person is
exam centric,
employed
right?
in China.
The junk
There
of the
is no
student
issue of
has been so much.
unemployment in China. Let us
No,
take
the
example
junking
of
of
our
the
neighbor
junking
country.
of the student is also the
But
There
we
junking
are
is
of the
not
also, I
student is
want
talking
to
of
also
state
They
China
one
are
here.
public, one
producing
particular
very
that's the
sector
time
problem.
about
sensitive
doctors.
products
Rather
and they
If
are
than
doctors,
rather
they
exporting
are
than
to
they are
all
going
completely
over
to
the
the
world.
going to
involving,
the part that
they're trying to
they
develop
should
their practices
diversify their
only in
field.
cities. If
And
they go to
whatever
villages, they
happening
can
in
really
India,
have
Indian
more
youth
growth.
is
But doctors
wasting
are not
their
focusing like that.
25. The
Mainly,
most
I want to point about
energetic,
doctors,
Yeah.
MBBS
the
students.
most
Can you
energetic,
They're
please
and
explain
the
always
this,
most
Vidya? That
valuable
if doctors
25
go to
years of
rural
initial
places, then
age
how will they
Indian
grow?
youth is spending in
No,
they will
education
grow.
Vidya,
They,
itself.
Vidya,
everyone is
meaning of
thinking that.
doctor. No, no. Meaning
Means
of doctor
relatively
is
means
Vidya,
I don't see
What
any
I want to
Doctor
say is,
takes
they are
5 years
going.
all
for
students are
searching job.
Vishal
concentrating
going is
This
into
is the
talking
going
about his
cities.
reality.
money. If someone is going to the rural
Let
area,
us talk
the money
It is
about
doctor has in the rural area
practical things,
is
what is
also the
happening
more.
in
if doctors
India.
go to
no
rural
no
areas,
Indian
they
youth
can
I
have
just
growth
The
want
instead of
mostly
mostly
takes
to
problem
means
that
for
25
competition
years
in
of
cities,
you
they
his
can
see,
try their best
rural
there.
the
initial
junking
age
of the
for
student at
oh,
the
that's
education.
what you
rural
were
area.
saying. Okay,
For
okay, okay.
next
That time,
5
I
time
thought
years
that
for
you
from
said
rural
searching
that in
area,
job.
that
comparison
time
to
income
metro
is not
cities,
that
they
much.
will
So
grow.
No, not like
no no
that.
no no.
from
Yeah,
there.
Here we are
You
having
see,
over competition.
yeah,
If
yeah,
they go there, they can
yeah,
grow and it can
yeah.
even serve the
That is
nation.
yeah, of course,
Let us
and that
let
will
us
be of
take
course
the
for a
broader
noble cause also.
perspective.
It
Average
will also
age
it
of
will also
human
benefit
being
the
is
Yeah,
50
rural
years.
areas.
doctor profession is a
Let us talk
noble
in a
cause.
broad perspective. There is average age of human being is let us 50 years. Out of 25 years, Indian youth is spending in taking education only, and
Yeah,
next
and
4 5 years he
yeah,
is spending in
and
searching job.
yeah,
Why he
and
shouldn't
the because,
start a job
ma'am,
at the
I want
age
to
of
add the point,
22
ma'am,
or
I want to add the
23?
point that mostly students are in the inner state. They
It
are,
is just a status
They are
issue
in
and they
the
want government
state
job
that-
or PSC
No,
job
ma'am,
or
it's
they
not
wanted
like
to
that,
go
ma'am. It's
abroad.
Ma'am,
not like that.
students'
Believe me.
perspective has
this is
changed.
valid
We
point
cannot,
from
we
Sagar.
cannot
It
say
is not
without
about
giving any
government jobs.
substantiate
That's
proof.
not the case in
There
case
is
of
another
small
issue.
case
countries, right?
Because
anymore.
of the lack of
They are taking
educational
their
system,
education also
youth
along
are
with
taking
their,
time to
along with
get
that they are doing
talented.
some
People
time
are ready
Though
to
we are
work
case of
in
foreign
so
even
many
countries.
people are
private
So they are
completing
also
their
companies also.
graduate by 21. They are not even talented.
but they are not investing all their life for the education
in
only,
corporate
right?
in
No,
But
no.
corporate
I
in
am of the
corporate
opinion that
system,
now
there
things
is a
are
issue
changing
of referencing.
Yes, many
drastically,
of my
If you
friends
do
have
not have
and
gone
any,
preparing
Indian
for the job,
youth,
and
even
they are
if
talented, but they
talented
can't
or
get the
less
job.
talented,
So
they
the preparing
accepted
age
the
from
things. Things
21
are
to 30.
changing nowadays.
That the preparing is from
ma'am,
the 21 to
talented
30
in
because the
corporate structure,
competition, because the
I
competition
believe
of the exam.
there's a system of referencing, referrals. In corporate structure, if you are not placed from your college campus, then it's near to impossible that you can get a placement outside of your college, unless and until you
Yes,
don't
yes,
you
yes.
have any referral or a
And
reference or
what is
recommendation.
happening
Yes,
due
yes,
to
brothers,
Then
I do
you
agree
should
with
computerization
this.
then
It
you
is
and
also the point.
Because of these
higher
recommendations,
have
technology
government option
and due
only.
to artificial intelligence,
I want
due to
to add
artificial
another point
intelligence
here.
Yeah,
and machine
the
learning and high
When it
So
comes to
technology,
IT
there are
sector
if
many
recruitments
people
great
and
don't
jobs
want
campus
to
available
placements,
in
join
the
private
system.
those
sector,
government,
and they
I want
only
to add
want to
one
join
point
government,
here.
it's not
there is
the
also
case.
the growth in the private sector also, but
Yeah.
I want to
it's
add one
totally
other point
misguiding by
here.
the
Here,
society.
Yes.
So
They are misguiding
Vishal,
from the
Many of
Vishal,
the
society
engineering
perspective.
Vishal,
colleges
professors
just,
are
just, just
to
now,
using
more,
There is
higher
a
Vishal,
growth.
I would
There
like
is a
to
they,
growth more in
interrupt you
private.
here. You said that
There is a
means
more.
whenever means Vishal, you just now told that, right? Means reference is very important in that case. So I think you have got one thing. काबिल बनो,
It is
कामयाबी आपको अपने आप मिलेगी. You must have to be काबिल for that things, right? So it's not always
yeah.
about
So
reference.
My dear friend, Kabil is a
It's about
very
the skills
relative
also
or
what you have.
subjective term.
yeah,
Don't
yeah,
go
yeah.
for the
No, no.
reference.
I
If
want
there
to.
It's
are
not
I want
about
so
to add
many
to
giving
the.
people,
reference.
No, no. I
so
want to add to
many
the
Here,
people,
Vishal.
they are
previous is not
talented
going on.
and they are
Previous is only a
eligible,
film.
but there are less vacancies available in the
Yeah,
system. Now,
the
many
number of
more people
vacancies
are
Yes.
talented. Everyone is
and also
talented
there
over
is
Because
here,
and the
but
major
number of posts
problem
are
and the
limited.
major problem, ma'am, is the
This,
population. The number of student, the youth population in our country.
this
Yeah.
is the valid
yes,
No,
point.
So
that
the
is not
major
Population is the
not
population
main
problem.
then
concern
the
See,
here.
yes,
major
yes, it
problem
is
is the
also
youth
problem. There
population.
are some
Right?
reports
just
that
One
go
crore,
through the
135
merit
crores.
in the
list.
world, India
There
is
is a
having the most
difference of
educated
overpopulation is
youth.
the problem. It's a solution for China.
0.01%.
Let me
Overpopulation is
point
not the
out,
Youth
problem.
India,
participants,
India,
Overpopulation
It's
is
not
India
only about
there is a
youth,
overpopulation.
everything
Now,
young
is there,
India
right?
country of
is
the
one
world.
among
Population
the
manage everything.
top
I think
Even
countries which is having
70%
most
even
of the
educated
population
youth.
of
Only the
India
population also
is
still they are
youth,
managing very well.
and
no, no,
youth is
Okay, please
no,
conclude
youth
now.
is not.
Please conclude now.
Yes, I
So
am.
I
Yes,
want to
yeah, I'd
conclude
like
to the
we
to take
really
the
had a very
opportunity
that
fabulous
many
talk.
of my
I
friends
do want to.
here
Vishal and
we
Sadhana
had a
ma'am have come to
good
the
nice
come
discussion
to the single
of
point that the unemployment is the major issue of the country, and mostly the student mostly the student and the youth which are talking about from the age of 21 to 26, they are unemployed because they are only focusing on the society perspective that they, if they are talented, they want to eager the more money, they are eager to earn to the multinational company, they are eagerly to work into the government sector, public sector. So the mentality of the people have to be the change, and they have to diversify their field. And the bottlenecks, and the what the Vishal has said about the difference one, and these things should be boycotted, and the person who is eligible would get the chance. So I want to end from this conclusion.
Okay, now I give one minute, sharp 1 minute to each one of you to conclude. 1 minute to each one of you. With a start.
Yes, sir. We really had a very fabulous discussion. What I want to conclude is Indian youth who are mostly talented and mostly unemployed. It is really true. There are so many reasons. There is a mistake from student side and it also from government side. Now government is making steps to rectify it. So students also should focus. Where there are some students, what areas should students focus is they should first be come out of their narrow mindedness and they should have some diverse, I mean all people focusing only on some sectors, they should search for sectors where they can grow, where they can use their talent. Like what I gave an example, doctors instead of completely believing cities, they can go to rural areas, they can improve. And in agriculture sector, everyone is neglecting. We can focus on that. We being talented, you can improve it very more. And government also should make I mean create awareness in students about these different platforms where they can show their they can exhibit as per their talent. With this point, I want to.
Okay. Rajiv?
So I want to conclude from the point that what all the team members have said, that the government perspective, society perspective, and the thing that they have to make the narrow path for this. And what I said, that population is also the major point, but we have to take on the assets, that it's not the liability what the China has done. It should be asset. What the Sadhna ma'am has said about the locality, but I can't think that locality should be the problem for the unemployment. If someone is unemployed, he's eager to go to the work any place. But the Sheikh Bahadur was focusing on mostly the skill. What the Vishal is totally about the reference. So what we totally conclude from the single point, that the mostly our mindset and the mindset of the unemployment, because we understand what the meaning of unemployment is, that most skilled one get the more than 2 or 3 job and they left the job. Seats should be vacant. So
1 minute only. 1 minute only.
Yes, sir. Our perceptions should be changed, and we have to look forward from this. So with this point, I want to end.
Vishal?
I'd like to conclude this. We had a great discussion here today on unemployment, most talented, most unemployed. So from this, I think we had different perspectives from different members of the team. That I believe that Miss person or students or aspirants should diversify their fields. Many of us have given this point, should broaden their minds, or should opt for even different domain jobs also. And also they should also look for self-employment, and they should another perspective is government should focus, or government should increase the resources, and also initiate some skill development programs. Even though it is already going, skill development ministry is already set it up by the government, but it is also the failure of government, I believe, that people of India is not means very educated, very highly qualified students are also not getting jobs. It is also the failure. Even IITs also, people are not getting jobs in their core field, what they aspired for, what they studied for 4 years. So this is also a truth. We cannot deny it. This is also a fact. And also people should look for, like Ms. Sadhana said, that people also should look for, if not job, then why not self-employed? Or self-employment is also a very good or very lucrative option. And we should also look for it, and we should look for different options or different alternatives. And we should not be continuously running behind the government jobs. Yeah, thank you.
Sher Bahadur?
Sir, I think Indian youth is talented, but they are unemployed. I agree with this point. But for that thing, I think there are basically 3 reasons are there. First one is the society. Sometimes people are coming in the peer pressure of the society, and they are not following their own desire, what they want to do in their career, what they like. If somebody wants to go to for organic farming, they are not going there, even though they are farmers, but they are trying for some government or UPSC job and all. So they should not come in the peer pressure of the society, and the family should also help them if they are going in some other, they are not preparing for UPSC, going for agricultural reforms or poultry farm reforms or some Kamadhenu sector also. If they are going these type of things also in then the society and family should support him. Government should government can also provide the means employment to the people by taking more FDI to the India, like as Tesla is coming to the India for their electric car manufacturing sector. So there will be so much employment will be generated there. And Wistron has been started their project for Apple India in Bangalore. So those are the things, because FDI will come and some foreign companies will come, and China, we are talking to the China also. There are more companies going to set up in India. So I think the government can also do the better in terms of providing employment, and the self-employment is third pillar, I think. And in that case, if you are not that much educated, whatever the education you have, you can do the gig workers is also earning the handsome money. If you are not educated that much, if you are talented, so even doing the gig working job also, you can excel in those fields also. So I think these are the key pillars. You should not restrain yourself for one field, right? So means follow your desire. काबिल बनो कामयाबी मिलेगी. That's what I want to say, sir. With
Sadhana.
these remarks, I want to conclude.
Sadhana.
Hence, we are at the conclusion of the discussion, and hence we summarize. Topic was Indian youth most talented, mostly unemployed, and it is really truly happening in India that most talented peoples, they are making status and ego clashes, and not accepting self-employment or lower cadre job, even if for the experience purpose. And unemployment is the second biggest threat in India after poverty. But things are changing now, and Indian youth is becoming ready to accept self-employment, doing some entrepreneurship, and they are starting small businesses in small business sector, MSME sector. And with this, I conclude the discussion. Thank you.
Okay. So this was the topic. I think the good point about this group was all of you were talking today. You watch your video tomorrow, I'll upload it, and you will see that this was the group in which you are talking now. Vishal, it was a first GD. Vishal participated, but I was impressed. He was in position to talk, and he was contributing and he was talking. So was Rajiv. Is experienced now. Vidya, Sadhana, and Sher Bahadur also now. 2-3 GDs you have done. So this was the group where you were talking. Now the only trouble was you were not talking in the synchronization. So that means if me and Rajiv start speaking the sentences parallelly, it becomes chaos. But suppose I let him speak and then I speak, it becomes a discussion. That part is lacking. So that group coordination was a lacking thing. Now you will say, sir, that who will maintain the group coordination if everybody is speaking parallelly? Now, there are two answers to that. There are two answers to that. Number one, when you participate in the group discussion on your PDA, this problem comes because you know you are going for mock, and because you sit with me for many sittings, it looks like quite informal. Maybe some of you must have seen the group discussion of Apurv and Siddharth, which I just uploaded yesterday. Both of the guys who got into public sector, when they used to participate on the GD with me, they used to not let others speak, or they used to talk parallelly or something. But in the actual situation, that problem was not there. In the actual situation, you will find people are not even speaking, and you will be in the trouble that now how long I can speak, nobody is talking. So that is what I'm telling you. Like when you are practicing, we are going for mock, you always try to practice without bothering about like how much marks I'm going to give you, and whether your impression will be good on me or bad. So you are just practicing. That is one of the reasons. And second, obviously, is that now you have couple of GDs experienced. So now you have started speaking. So that is another reason. So this situation you will not come across there. Third, even if the group is very, very turbulent and the people are not knowing how to speak, you as experienced, I'll say interceptor, as experienced fellow, you can always find the lacunas and enter at that particular point where the observer listens to you, what you are saying. Maybe the other house is in chaos, and I've told you many times to watch my small video of how to enter in GD. How to enter in GD is like when everybody is fell silent, then you enter. Just keep watching, keep watching. When everybody falls silent, there comes 2-3 movements in entire GD. When nobody is speaking, or they are speaking at very low pace, then you should enter with full energy and make your sentence audible to the observer. That is what you should do. So that I have told you many times. So if you say, sir, chaos ही सब लोग कोई बोलने नहीं दे रहा था, ये बहुत ही common excuse होता है बच्चों का कि सर बोलने नहीं दे रहा था कोई. I beg to differ. बोलने नहीं दे रहा ऐसा नहीं होता, आपको बोलना नहीं आता. Take the responsibility and practice if you really want to score high. So these are the two issues. But yes, I would like to say that you people are now, I can send you to the GD. I mean, I can, if tomorrow is the GD, you are ready for that. At least you will speak there. Now the second point comes is when to enter, that you have to learn. And second is how, what to speak. I told you earlier also that there are certain structure lines. If you master those structure lines, life becomes easy. Now Rajiv has become expert in taking the opportunity to initiate and conclude also. But Rajiv, you are not sticking to the structure. You took the opportunity to start, but then after 2 lines you fumbled, and so much so Sadhana also introduced in between, and that was wrong on your part, Sadhana, because you should not have entered for introduction. When somebody takes the opportunity to introduce, you need to let him speak for a minute or so. You should not intervene, otherwise that goes against you. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हारे मार्क्स साधना करते हैं, और राजीव तुमसे उन्होंने इसलिए उठा लिया बिकॉज तुम्हारी एनर्जी ड्रूप कर गई थी. You were not in position to introduce, and you were not speaking any of the structured line. And what was the structured line? Good morning, friends. My name is Rajiv, and I take the opportunity to initiate the discussion. Friends, the topic today given is Indian youth most talented, mostly unemployed. और sentence गलत नहीं बोलना है. Indian youth most talented, most unemployed नहीं था. Indian youth most talented, mostly unemployed, largely unemployed. That is the meaning of it. So आपने topic गलत नहीं बोलना. Yes, friends, I do agree. I do agree with the statement. I do agree that Indian youth is talented, and I do agree largely, unfortunately, they are largely unemployed. तो उसको 4-5 लाइन ले जाते हैं ना तुम राजीव.
सर हम मगअप कर गए थे, मतलब मिस हो गया था फिर.
हाँ, तुमने सारा एनर्जी लेने में तुम टैलेंटेड हो, तुम ले रहे हो इंट्रोडक्शन, लेकिन तुमसे बोला नहीं जा रहा. फिर स्ट्रक्चर याद नहीं किया तुमने. वो स्ट्रक्चर याद करो सो दैट इतनी एनर्जी से बोलो कि कोई ले ना पाए. अब यही लेने वाली बात अगर विशाल या शेर बहादुर पकड़ लेगा तो किसी को बोलने नहीं देगा आगे. पर इन्होंने अभी तक वो पकड़ने वाला एक्सपर्टीज नहीं लिया है. वो तुम्हारे पास अभी है, लेकिन तुम उसको पकड़ नहीं पा रहे हो. तुम थोड़ा फंबल कर जा रहे हो. जैसे तुम ले रहे हो फिर तुम रुक जाते हो, और अपना 2-3 जीडी देख लेना. ऐसे ही हो रहा है, तुम ले रहे हो फिर रुक जा रहे हो, फिर अगला आदमी कंफ्यूज हो जा रहा है कि ये रुक गया क्या अभी, तो कोई दूसरा एंटर कर जाएगा. 3-4 लाइन जो मैंने तुम्हें बताई है रटनी है, वो फास्ट, वो तुम्हें प्रोटेक्शन देंगी, और तुम्हारा लार्जली काम यहीं पे हो जाएगा. और कंक्लूड भी तुम कर लोगे तो लार्जली काम तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. उसके बाद मैं फीडबैक देता हूँ. हाँ,
इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा था कि मतलब इसमें हम मतलब सोच रहे थे कि जो 3-4 मतलब पाथ डिवाइड कर देते हैं, लेकिन वो पाथ मिल ही नहीं पा रहा था. मतलब जैसे कि जो कोई सिचुएशन आती है ना, प्रॉब्लम आया तो मतलब सोच रहे थे कि जो मतलब आई डू एग्री, उसके बाद हम भूल ही गए कि इसको किस डायरेक्शन में ले जाए. ठीक है,
नहीं तो तुम एग्री कर दो ना, उसी को सेंटेंस में बोल रहा हूँ. फ्रेंड्स, द टॉपिक गिवन फॉर द डिस्कशन इज इंडियन यूथ मोस्ट टैलेंटेड, मोस्टली अनएम्प्लॉयड. फ्रेंड्स, आई एग्री विद द स्टेटमेंट. आई टोटली एग्री विद द स्टेटमेंट. इंडियन यूथ इज टैलेंटेड but unfortunately is unemployed. Now, there are many reasons, friends, for this. There are many reasons. We can blame many players. We can blame people. We can blame the government. We can blame the society. We can blame the family. So I am very sure you have many points to add, friend. So now I open the house for discussion. कुछ नहीं बोलना है, स्ट्रक्चर तो बोलो यार. अब इसमें
अच्छा सर, मतलब अगर पॉइंट नहीं मिले डाइवर्स करने के लिए तो उसी को मतलब घुमा फिरा के
वर्ड को एक्सप्लेन कर दो. वर्ड्स को ही खेलते रहो, चाहे सेंटेंस को खेलते रहो. ऑब्जर्वर नहीं सुनता क्या बोल रहे हो तुम, मान के चलो वो यही सुनता किस पेज पे तुम बोल रहे हो और टॉपिक के आसपास मंडरा रहे हो कि नहीं मंडरा रहे हो. और इंट्रोडक्शन में तो मैंने बोला ही है तुम्हें यार, कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है, नई बात अगर नहीं बोलनी है तो डायरेक्शन दे दो. डायरेक्शन सोचो. जो 30 सेकंड मिलते हैं ना, 30 सेकंड में तुम्हें एक तो टाइटल याद करना है, दूसरा ये देखना है कि इसमें मैं ओपन कैसे करूं, मतलब मैं इसके एस्पेक्ट क्या बनाऊं कि यार इंडियन यूथ टैलेंटेड मोस्टली अनएम्प्लॉयड, इसके लिए कौन रिस्पांसिबल हो सकता है यार. देयर कैन बी सो मेनी प्लेयर्स रिस्पांसिबल. सो फ्रेंड्स, you will agree with me that there can be so many people responsible. There are different aspects of this. Government can be responsible, we can be responsible, education system can be responsible. ऐसे डिवाइड करो ना, डायमेंशंस बनाओ उसकी और डाल दो. यही तो चीज सोचनी है 30 सेकंड में, और क्या सोचना है. उसका जब हाउस ओपन कर दिया, उसका जो लोग बाकी बोल रहे हैं वहीं से आइडियाज तुम्हें जनरेट हो जाएंगे, और कंक्लूजन तो सुन के बोलना है तुम्हें. क्या ट्रबल है उसमें? तुम्हें लर्न करनी है ये चीज. बहुत आसान है, बहुत आसान है, डिफिकल्ट नहीं है इसको लर्न करना. कूद जाओ एक बार और ये हाउस ओपन डिस्कशन में ले जाओ.
फर्स्ट जीडीएम तो मतलब बोल ही नहीं पाए थे, उसके बाद तो स्टार्ट हो रही
तुम नहीं बोल पाए, और इसीलिए साधना ने तुम्हें कट कर दिया, बिकॉज एनर्जी ड्रूप कर गई थी तुम्हारी. एनर्जी हाई होती तो कट नहीं होते तुम. उसके बाद देखो, अब लार्जली तुम लोगों ने जो पॉइंट बोला, जैसे शेर बहादुर ने बोला आई एग्री विद द पॉइंट, उसने बोला, लेकिन वो कंक्लूजन में बोला उसको लास्ट में. जब शेर बहादुर को कंक्लूजन 1 मिनट मिला तो उसने फंटास्टिक बोला, लेकिन बीच में शेर बहादुर उस एनर्जी के साथ नहीं बोल पा रहा था. सोसाइटी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, फैमिली इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, गवर्नमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, ये डिवीजन है, यही तो है डिवीजन. तो ये इंट्रोडक्शन की बात है, इंट्रोडक्शन में बोलना होता है इसको. This is what is to be said. So why you have to speak, Sher Bahadur, in between. You have to talk in between. विशाल का सही है, बोल पा रहा है, लेकिन वो उसकी सेटिंग नहीं बैठ रही है सही. जैसे यू कैन हिट सिक्सर, बट अगर बॉल के बैट पे आने से पहले सिक्सर मारने की ट्राई करोगे, इट विल गो वेस्ट. सो वेट फॉर द बॉल टू कम एंड देन हिट सिक्सर. दैट मीन्स wait for the right moment and then speak your sentence. That is what you have to do. That part is as of now missing. That part is missing, Vishal, for you. Baki Vidya, you are audible. Your energy level was there. You are audible. You can talk now, and you were speaking today. That is there. And as such, Sadhana was having the points which were relevant points. She was giving those particular points, and more or less whatever you said was relevant. I will say the house was talking sense today only. अच्छा बोल रहे थे तुम लोग, और वो पास करेगा तुम्हें इस एनर्जी के साथ जैसे तुमने किया पार्टिसिपेट. तो यू आर एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस. नाउ आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द टॉपिक. जब भी ऐसा कोई टॉपिक आए तो you need to first tell this thing whether you agree or you do not agree. फिर तुम उसको डिवीजन कर दो कि ये डिवीजन है. इंडियन यूथ मोस्ट टैलेंटेड, तो इसके ऊपर तुम्हें क्या फोकस करना चाहिए था कि टैलेंट क्या होता है. इज दिस द टैलेंट ओनली एजुकेशन, or this is the your vocational training, or this is the hard work and discipline you have. So friends, I would like to tell that Indian youth, irrespective of educational background, whether he's 10th pass or 10th not passed, or his PhD or his MTech or his whatever qualification he has certain traits which makes him suitable for the job. Like he's hardworking and he wants job desperately, and the person who wants job desperately will work in the job also, and he's ready for doing that, earning money. So that comprise his talent. Now mostly unemployed. Why he's unemployed? There are many reasons for that. No doubt government is spending resources. Skill Development Ministry and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, MSDE. There's a dedicated ministry created in India. But are our resources properly being utilized? As with any government policy, the main trouble is in execution. Main trouble is in proper execution and taking that thing to the fruitful conclusion. So somewhere that gap is obvious here also. We know that now Sadhana is from the banking system. She will tell you that government is giving a lot of loans to the people. Government is very seriously thinking to give that. People are taking loan, but somewhere that is not getting converted into self-employment or employment generation. And what is the reason for that? There can be so many reasons. The reason can be the person also who is taking loan and who has a dream of job mentality versus self-employment mentality. That is also there. Now, since ages, as we know, India got independence, and that time largely the role of employment and production was given to government or public sector. So our previous generation was in the mindset of doing government jobs and public sector jobs. So that job mentality, and that to safe job mentality, is there in our mind. Now today, when we talk about the privatization, in which you obviously job security, the kind of security you think of in government is not available. But that concept of security is not coming out of our mind, and we keep on chasing that particular dream for many years and waste our years in that particular process. So youth should somehow also realize today that yes, we are to get self-employed. That is a youth के पार्ट पे. अब बात आ जाती है दूसरी गवर्नमेंट के पार्ट पे कि गवर्नमेंट is basically having power. Government should have will. Government has a resource, and government only can provide the enabling environment. So if as ordinary citizen we can think of that there is some problem somewhere, government can also think. They have think tank, they have Niti Aayog, so they have think tank. They can certainly identify that where is the problem. So certainly problem exists, and government is in position to solve that problem. Government should intervene. Government has to basically do that. And not only government, every stakeholder कौन है इसमें? मैं एक अनएम्प्लॉयड यूथ हूं, तो स्टेक होल्डर कौन हुआ? मेरे पेरेंट्स, माई विलेज पंचायत, माई डिस्ट्रिक्ट जिला परिषद, माई स्कूल, माई कॉलेज. When you get education in the engineering college, don't you think engineering college is a stakeholder? Don't you think your teacher is a stakeholder? Don't you think the private sector company which is running the show in India is stakeholder? So everybody is to think of creating the ecosystem, proper ecosystem. So everybody is to be held responsible for unemployment. If I tell you honestly, starting from me. Let's take blame on me also. Why should I not take blame? See, if you are unemployed till the age of 30, believe me, even 20, you have to blame yourself first. Don't start blaming the government directly. You should blame yourself first. And if that attitude we develop, that we start taking the blame, starting from common citizen to government, prime minister, if everybody starts taking the blame for something going wrong, then obviously the proper change will come. But the only trouble we have is we do not take blame, we throw the blame on somebody else. That is also the issue. Like we say, no, government should give me the job. It is not giving me the job. I am saying that. I ask you a very simple question here. If you're capable, if you think of doing something good, can't you earn money? You can do that. You can start a very small venture and you can do that. So आपको भी blame लेना है, जो industries है उसको भी blame लेना है, सबको लेके वो करना है. But why we talk about government? Because government has what? Power. Government has what? Resource. Government can create enabling environment. So that is what a government through some private sector company, you must have heard that in that states government gave some kind of tax holiday to IT sector. तो IT sector ने वहां पे अपनी company लगाई और local लोगों को job मिल गया. तो government has done that. Government did that. Government only will bring the FDI, foreign से companies को लाएगी. Government ही तो करेगी वो. Government का responsibility ज्यादा हो जाता है. जैसे घर में फादर का रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ज्यादा हो जाता है, वैसे गवर्नमेंट का रिस्पांसिबिलिटी भी ज्यादा हो जाता है. दिस इज व्हाट एक्चुअली इज द सिचुएशन. सो व्हेनेवर यू बेसिकली टॉक, गिव द बैलेंस्ड ओपिनियन. It should not look like that you are blaming somebody. And I tell you one more thing, whenever you are giving some kind of opinion, give the solution also. If you are saying government is not doing this, you should also tell no, government is doing this. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship is created. Government is spending money. Yes, government is spending money, but that money is not getting converted into employment. So certainly there is an issue. And even if Prime Minister is sitting here or Niti Aayog chief is sitting here, he will also agree with the same statement that yes, we are spending money, but it is not converting into employment. So that is what we have to actually say very honestly, the things. Take the responsibility to different stakeholders. So for this, actually, this should have been the common line of thinking. Then rest is okay. Do not take any one particular side in such kind of things. Do not take one side. I'm to hold government responsible, so government responsible. No, government is not responsible. Somebody else is. Don't take this thing. Everybody has whatever is advantage, disadvantage, mention it. That will work. This should have been the line in these kind of topics. And I will tell you one more thing. Since we are going for public sector, GDs, then you cannot very blatantly talk against government, and you should not talk against government. Not that you should fear government. I'm not saying that you should fear government. But you know what? Actually, government is doing also. But you will join the government jobs, you will also understand there are some kind of limitations of the government bureaucratic system also. There is something which is called bureaucracy. Bureaucracy has inertia. So government cannot provide jobs to everybody. It is shrinking actually. And this is the need of the hour. Government jobs will shrink in future. They are going to shrink. Reason, lot of inefficiency over all these years, where government has entered into those domains also where it should not have entered. That is the reason Prime Minister says government has no business in business. ये लाइंस को याद करो, क्या मतलब है इस चीज का कि गवर्नमेंट को उन चीजों में नहीं एंटर करना है जिनमें गवर्नमेंट को नहीं करना चाहिए. Maybe very less people of you know that in the beginning government was into everything. Making everything. Production government करती थी in the beginning, but then government started basically giving it to the private sector slowly. That is how it all started. Yes, Sadhana, you were saying something. Fine. So I think this is how it was, and it was good that you could talk today. और हम जो डिस्कशन करें, अब कल भी जो डिस्कशन हम करें, तो make it a point that you speak and speak in synchronization. This all comes with practice.
Advanced technology we are having now. Yes, sir.
Sadhana ma'am, please close your camera and then speak.
Advanced technology we are
So I'm sorry, you're not audible. So I think we meet tomorrow with the another topic. Learn whatever mistakes we have done. Please learn that and keep practicing. Right? That is what we will do tomorrow also. Fine.
सर केस स्टडी वगैरह कैसे केस स्टडी का कोई वीडियो नहीं मिल रहा था.
केस स्टडी का मैंने वही जो कल किया था केस स्टडी था. एक और केस स्टडी कल ले लेंगे. नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
जीटी केस स्टडी में मैं डिफरेंस नहीं समझ पा रहा हूं सर. व्हाट अबाउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन जीटी एंड
ग्रुप टास्क में एक केस स्टडी पूरे ग्रुप को दी जाती है. ग्रुप टास्क होता है, ग्रुप को सॉल्व करना होता है. और केस स्टडी इंडिविजुअल आदमी को दिया जाता है. केस दिया
रहेगा वैसे
स्टडी करके उसने सॉल्व करना होता है.
तो जैसे आपने दिया था वही अगर हम इंडिविजुअल को देते हैं दैट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द केस स्टडी. इफ इट इज गिवन टू द होल ग्रुप दैट इज ग्रुप टास्क.
दैट इज अ ग्रुप टास्क. ग्रुप ने उस टास्क को करना होता है.
Got it.
Fine.
Okay.
Then so we meet tomorrow at the same time and we go for another topic. Thank you. Good night.
Nice.